I'm with Romeo. Bellissimo. Look at that. Amore, ti sei ferito qui? Oh no. Oh no. Amore. Oh no, there's a lot of pollution in here. Oh no. And you're here, this cat beautifies the place, you know. どこだポーチ。Sei un amore. Romeo, sono contenta di vederti. Io ti amo. Già, amore a prima vista. Love at first sight. Me and Romeo. Questo. Questo. So cute. Oh, che bello. Stare qui con te. But the pollution is not bello. No. Che belle zampe, amore. Romeo, my love. Oh my god, you're so cute. I thank God for per incontrare con te, to meet you here, here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You're here. Someone has been feeding you here? They got you a scatola? What did they get you? I'm gonna get you wet food next time. Oh yeah. With the croccantini, so you have complete nutrition. So sweet. He's a baby. So beautiful. Take a break. Sit down here with you. I'm always gonna get you food with me. I'm so happy to see you here. I'm happy that to find out that you live here, you stay here. So now I know that I always pass by here and then get you some food with me. That makes me happy. Are you gonna eat this, the fiori? Oh. He's my new love, Romeo. Oh, Romeo l'amore. Romeo. Hello, you're done? Satiated? Can I clean your eyes? No? Oh, bello! Ciao! Ciao, amore! Okay. Oh, yeah. He's a baby, beautiful cat. Oh, look at him. Oh, how he walks gracefully. Ciao, baby. You're gonna go? Okay, ti saluto. Ciao, have a good time. Buona giornata, amore mio. Okay. Ciao, baby. So happy I met him here. Yeah, he's gone into his hiding place. Yeah, I was hoping to meet him. This is the second time I meet him. Yesterday I met him, and I was so lucky to meet him. I'm blessed. Thank God. No, he's gone. Yeah. So I'll see him maybe tomorrow or some other time whenever I see him pass by here. Okay. So this is Rome. Oh well. It's beautiful from here. I love it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, gotta go. Ciao.